Hey loves, it's me. I'm back again. It's your girl Erica J. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And y'all know I'm gonna give y'all a heart because I love all my subscribers. Thank you for tuning in, y'all. Today, I am doing a review on magnetic eyelashes. And I am like hugely skeptical about this, y'all. Glamnetic reached out to me and they wanted me to review their lashes, and I was like, don't send me any lashes, honey. I am bougie. I wear individual lashes, okay? Like, do not try to play me, okay? But seriously though, I am an individual lash wearer, but I was like, I could switch it up. So I took all my lashes off. I really wanted to try these, and thank you to Glamnetic for sending me some wonderful lashes. I'm doing this right with you guys. I did not test anything beforehand. I only took everything out the package to like check everything out, and I'm ready to see if this is really gonna work, because I have really tried magnetic lashes before. I'm not gonna name the brand, and it was just a fail. Like, they didn't even stay on at all. So I am really curious as to see if Glamnetic is really gonna be it. Are they gonna pass the test? Are the lashes gonna stay on? Is this for real and not a scam? Okay, so let me show you what they sent me. They did send me some beautiful lashes. The packaging is really beautiful, and these lashes, they're very nice. So these are the Lavish Lash. I like the box that says know your worth and add tags. They have really beautiful packaging. So that's the first pair of lashes. The second pair, these are called the Love Lash, right? Okay, beautiful, long and wispy. A little bit longer than I would usually do, but you know, hey, I'm walking on the wild side today, okay? Anyway, and these, I don't know the name of them. They're just numbered 731. And I like these as well, okay? Also with the lashes, they sent me this magnetic eyeliner, which, girl, I gotta see this. Magnetic felt tip eyeliner pen, and the color is Deep Space. Okay, and also the lash grabber. Now let me give you their pricing, because when they sent me this stuff, I was like, before I get on here and review this for my subscribers, like, I gotta give y'all the pricing. So the lash grabber is $12.99. Oopsies, the liner is $42. Now y'all, this better work, because for $42 for a lash liner, like, it gotta make sense, okay? It just has to make sense. And the lashes, each pair of lashes were $29.99. That's a lot for a pair of lashes, but if they actually do work, the cost per wear will really like even that out to be like actually like a bargain. So let's get into it and see if these magnetic lashes actually work, y'all. If they're not trying to scam me. Okay, your girl out here looking like Kermit the Frog or Shrek without any lashes on. I'm looking so crazy. But anyway, the first thing you're supposed to do is shake up the liner. I had applied some and I was recording. I don't know what happened to the camera, so we had to start over. But anyway, I'm just gonna do it, just go over it so you guys can see. It's just like a regular liner. It's a felt tip, and I'm just gonna go over it a little bit. I wanted to make sure the line was pretty thick, because again, I just wanna make sure it sticks. Okay, and I'm gonna do I have really come a long way with eyeliner, because eyeliner is not my thing. And girl, I just gave myself an A+. But anyway, okay, so I'm gonna grab my lash grabber and take my lashes out. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oops, I almost dropped it. And as you can see in the box, again, I don't know if I said this already, but there's a magnetic strip there. So when you take them off, you can just pop them right back in the box, and they'll keep their shape, which is really cool, because I heard you can wear these up to 40 times. I really got to see if you can wear these 40 times. Okay, so here's the lash. Let me just grab, I want to show you guys this. I took off the lash anchor. So you're supposed to put that underneath in the corner and on the outer edge to keep the lash in place. So I'm gonna put that back in the box. And I'm gonna take the other one off. Let me bend it first, because sometimes, you know, when you wear strips, you want to bend it a little bit. So I don't want to bend it too much. All right, let's try that again. And I'm just gonna use my fingers a little bit. And I'm gonna bring it down and place it on the eyeliner. Let me look. Okay, I need to slide that more over to my corners. Oh, it is really magnetic. Like, that was just a weird sensation. Not a bad one, but weird. Okay, so I'm gonna go over a little bit. Let's go over a little bit, because they were like too long on that side. Y'all, is this for real? Like, is it on? Oh, like, what? You are not serious. I am shook. Like, am I looking like, first of all, the lash is gorgeous. And I just can't believe, like, it doesn't itch or anything. Because lashes can be itchy. They feel fine. Okay, let's do the anchor. Let's do the anchor. Wrong box. Let's do the anchor. Wow, I'm tripping. Let's do the anchor. I hope I don't poke myself. Okay. Okay, so here is the lash anchor. I'm gonna use my compact. Oh, it keeps moving. That is the problem with the anchor. So I'm like done trying to mess around with the anchor. I'll just put that back, and let's just go ahead and do the other lash. Because I guess, like, do I need the anchor? Is that necessary? Because they feel pretty secure without. So let's try that. Let's just do the other side. And I hope it didn't dry down too much. Oops, let's see. I dropped it. Okay, so no, it didn't. Put that on. I don't know, it just works better for me with my fingers. And bend it down a little bit. And let's see, let me look. Okay, so these are the Lavish Love lashes, and I like them. I actually love them. Like, what? Now, I did have difficulty with the anchor. I'll probably go off camera and try that, right? Because the way my setup is, I have like a lot going on right here, like this ring light and the phone. You know, on your phone, you cannot like really see too well. And the anchor is like, I keep dropping it. But baby, like, this is serious. Like, yeah, this is a game changer. Because listen, when I don't wear individual lashes, I do strips, right? And I just feel like I have like become a professional with strips too. But I feel like there is like a difference. Like when I close my eyes with these on, they don't feel heavy. Well, it doesn't have glue, but they don't have that itchy, like something's on my eye feel, right? My eyelash wearers out there, you know, when you have on strips, well, I don't know if it's just me, but when I have on strips, I feel, it's a weird sensation to me, right? And then the glue, sometimes you mess up, the glue runs, you have to get that off. It's like, it can be a very messy situation, right? And then you have to put the glue on, you know, apply the glue, let it get tacky, then put it on. And God forbid you put it in the wrong place. You gotta wipe off the glue, start over. These are like a game changer because like it's liner. So like you just put on, it's like putting on eyeliner and you're just sticking these on top of your eyeliner. And it's so easy, like, and they feel secure. And I know they will feel even secure, more secure if I had on the anchors, if my lighting was correct to get in here and do the anchors. Like, I'm super impressed. They feel very lightweight. And I can't get over that. Like, I just cannot get over like how lightweight they feel. Like, that's amazing to me. Like, and I'm not even being like funny. Like, okay, but you know what? I live in Chicago and it's very windy. So I'm wondering, like, I have like a question, because like what will happen when it's really windy, y'all? Because it gets really windy here. Like I'm talking about like take your breath away wind, like you're squinting windy, like hold on. Okay, so this is the real test. I went and got my hair dryer. If it's windy in Chicago and the wind is blowing, I do not want my lashes flying away. I cannot come outside looking cute and all dolled up and then I'm coming back looking like I got into a fight. Like that's not gonna make it. So like, let's see, I'm gonna put this on cool and I'm gonna put it on high. And if these fly off, we lost. Glamnetic, if they stay on, I have to give you like the utmost Ann, because Ann owns the company. Shout out to Ann from Thailand, migrated all the way to California, opened up this wonderful company, and I'm testing you out. Let's see. Y'all, look. I know you lying. Y'all, are y'all seeing that? The lashes did not move. What that girl said, my hair, it don't move. My lashes, they don't move, y'all. Like, man. Okay, guys, so that was crazy, right? That was super crazy. I'm gonna try on another pair. And these are so easy to take off. Like they didn't hurt my natural lash. Even though I only have like 6 lashes, okay? 6 natural lashes. They didn't hurt and they just came right off, and then I'm just gonna pop them right back in there. That is like the coolest thing. They're right back in there. That's it. Like it's too simple. These are like too good to be true. Like, I don't know. Okay, let's move on. I'm gonna try on one more pair for you guys. I like these. The name on the packaging is 731. So I want to try these on. They're little, I wouldn't say natural, but they're not as long as the other ones and not as like dramatic. Okay, so let's try the 731s. I'm gonna put on a little bit more liner just to make sure they stick. Okay, so these are the 731s. I like this length too. They're just really whimsical, like really nice and like, you know, a little light, not as dramatic as the other ones. And they're on, like, I think I'm gonna slide them over just a little bit. They're like too far over in my corner. They're so easy to like remove when you need to like slide them over. Like, it's just so easy. So easy. Like, I can't even lie to y'all. Like, I cannot see myself going back to glue and strips. I'm dead serious. Like, there's no way. These go on like, they just go on too easy. Just too easy. All right, pop that on. And I'm just gonna look in my other mirror to make sure. Yep, I need to slide it over because it's hard to see. Because I'm using my phone to film today. So it's a little harder to see in the phone. And I'm gonna just pinch that down. And I'm done. Like, there's no way in the world that it's that easy to put on lashes. Now, I'm sure they don't feel like they're going anywhere. I mean, I did the whole blow dryer thing with the other lashes and I didn't have anchors on. Like, and I don't have anchors on now, but I'm sure they would probably, they don't feel loose, but I'm saying they would probably feel more secure with the anchors. It's just that every time I go, my hands are just sweaty. When you're filming, it just gets like sweaty with these lights on. Yeah, I keep just dropping the anchors, but I don't know if I need them. Like, I really don't know if I need them. What do you guys think? Like, would you try these lashes? Wait, and if you do want to try the lashes, y'all, they hooked me up. They hooked your girl up with a discount code. It's EricaJ15 off of your entire purchase. So if you want to try these, because you need that discount. You need the discount. If you want to try them, use the discount code. And then when you try them out, please let me know in the comments if you like them. I'm about to get my mom a pair, several pair, because she is still doing like the strips. Baby, like, Yeah, I really can't see myself going back to glue. Do you see these? Like, let me close my eyes. I'm gonna insert some close-ups because I hope this video did you justice, or did the lashes justice, because y'all, like, and you see how these, the 731s, gave it a different look. This is more to me of like an everyday look. I'm more like simple toned down for the most part type of girl. These are perfect. The 731s are like everyday perfect. The other ones, okay, I'm going out tonight, I want to zhuzh it up, wear those, or throw on the this one, because I didn't do the love lashes. Those are a little bit more dramatic. Those are like event lashes to me, because you know, everybody has their thing with their lashes. But anyway, yeah, if you like lashes and lashes are your thing, you wear strips, these are a game changer. You don't need strips anymore. I promise you that. They are a little pricey, but I feel like the cost per wear, if you think about it, okay, the lashes are $29.99. The felt eyeliner $42. But if you can wear these lashes, if you can really wear these even just 20 times, like you won. Like, that's a steal. And I'm telling you, the way they feel, I'm done. It's over with and I'm done. I'm never wearing lashes that require glue ever again. Like, it's over with. But guys, if you like videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And you subscribe to my channel because I love you and I want you here with me every time I create content and post. Make sure you stick around and watch some of my other videos that I create just for you. And if you have any questions, comments, or just any suggestions for me or anything that you would like to see, please comment below. And if you're a subscriber already, you know what I'm about to say. And until the next time, peace.